Yeah, let's talk a little bit about the application of security devices, security recording devices. They have to be stationary. Do When you purchase a security recording device, do make sure it's a 264 format. It's a recording format that is a legit format for the court system, which means you cannot manipulate the date, time, or anything on that format. And that's a legal a format that you can utilize for the courtroom. Do understand that? Also, regular camera, your camera from your smartphone is applicable to a case if need be. Look at all these law enforcement people that are been put out of business with a non 264 format, which is your cell phone. So that can also be used in conjunction, as far as an application to record or document criminal activity. Do understand that, which is a wonderful process. If it's a homeowner that's doing that, property values are going up, so it's a plus. Uh, Go to a federal level. You do not need an attorney license to put yourself on the docket, which means schedule for a court date. It's just paying the sums, and 500 is the sums to put yourself on the court docket at a federal level. Just have all your documentation. Your documentation is in multiple forms: video, audio, written forms, communications with law enforcement as far as making complaints in reference to the issues. So do understand it's a really, really interesting process. It's lengthy. It's it's a lengthy process that unfortunately that needs to be processed. So this is called the discovery, which means the process of showing all the evidence, and evidence usually speaks for itself. So you don't need a whole lot of attorney to speak for evidence if it's really sufficient evidence. Look at all these law enforcement videos. Is there an attorney that needs to speak in the format of that evidence? No, it's overwhelming. It's overwhelming. So just keep that in mind, federal level, so forth. I only can give you a small detail crash minute course here, but it's kind of a lengthy. It's if you like law, which I do, I find it kind of fascinating. So knock yourself out, 264. So it's wonderful. All right, ciao. It's kind of a muggy kind of evening, but we're good.